Ice cream box time. Last ice cream box subscription beauty box for 2025. And also, it is my last box. I decided to start ice cream box for 6 months. I loved it so much. I decided to extend it to a year, and now this is my last box. The year has ended for me, and I must say, I am very pleased with ice cream box. Every box had a palette, which is my favorite. So, without further ado, let me tell you what is in December's box. December's box is called Holly Jolly, and it has like a Santa Claus hat. For the choices that we have, it says Dual Chrome Highlighter by Chamacy Global, $15. This is the packaging for the highlighter. This is the highlighter. This is what the highlighter looks like when the package is open. It is beautiful. It has like a gold and a silver. I guess when you swirl it, you get a good combination. First item. Second item is Bratz Liquid Tint by Beauty Creation, $7. It can be used on cheeks, lips, or eyes. This is what it looks like in the packaging. This is what it looks like. Let me open it because I'm going to swatch the shade so we can see what it looks like. It has a doe foot. This is what it is. This is what the shade looks like. I can use it on my lips, and I can use it on my cheek, and I can use it on my eyes, just like it was meant to be used. The third item is a multi-chrome eyeshadow gel by Chamacy Global, and it's $24. This is the packaging right there. This is what it looks like. I'm showing you the shade sideways. This is the container and the shade. The fourth item say Creamy Lipstick by the British Museum X ZC Cosmetics for $24. The packaging. This is pretty, pretty, pretty. This is very pretty. Like this. This is so cute. It has two little knobs here. I guess it's to open it. So let's see. I don't know. I have no clue. Okay, so that's not to open it. Let's figure out how to open this contraption. Ah, got it. You take these two little knobs. You see, it has one here, one there. Take these two little knobs and pull. Very cute. Love this. It's child-proof. Your kids say this is not child-proof. Your kids can open this and play with your lipstick. This is pretty. So this is the lipstick. Wow, this is my color. Let's see. Ooh, it has a heart shape. This is cute. Let's swatch. I'm going to swatch next to this. This is a pretty color. Take a look. It is a red. It is a red with an orange base. Cute. Okay, for my last box, I am impressed. And then you line them up, the two little knobs, and it closes. Without snapping, it just seals itself. Gorgeous. Love that, love that, love that. I love this. This is nice. Yes. The last item, because in each box there are 5 full-size items and there's always a palette. So if you're looking for any subscription box, pick Eyescream box. They are good. Choice. My 5th item, which is the last item, we had a choice to pick Diosa, I hope I'm saying the name right, Volume 1 or Diosa Volume 2 by Chantico Beauty, and it's $45 for the palette. I picked Volume 1. This is the package in the box. Cute, black and gold. The palette looks exactly like it. So again, the choice was Volume 1 or 2. They send you an email, you pick which one you want, and once it's available, that's what you get. I've never had a problem with what I picked in the past. This palette is so beautiful. Oh, this is good. This is good. Take a look. This is the palette. The palette is so pretty. Oh my God, this is gorgeous, isn't it? Let me swatch maybe 2 shades for you. The green is calling my name, so I will swatch the green. I'm going lightly, very lightly. They're soft and buttery, so I'm going light. I'm doing the green right here. My finger is clean and it's all here. You see that? Is it dual chrome? Did they say it's a dual chrome? Let's see. Okay. 9 dual chrome / multi-chrome shades. 3 essential mattes. Yes. Okay, so they are multi-chrome and dual chrome. Okay. Can I just do a purple and a blue for you? Let me just do that. Let me do that. Oh my God. Well, oh, there's nah. I'm just going. The ones that calling me, I mean, they're all calling my name. They're just saying, swatch me, play with me, play with me. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. I mean, this palette, let me put it somewhere else because this is so pretty. When I tell you this is pretty, here. And I'm going to do the purple. Oh my God. They're dual chrome, so you'll find shifts in them. One more, the blue. One more. One more. Here we go. Oh my God. Do the green again. I'll do the green right here. Could look like it's too far. Take a look. Multi-chrome gala. These are the swatches. I swatched this whole row and the green. So this palette, oh my God. I love this palette. Thank you very much for watching. Always, always, always remember that you're first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself or your dreams or your goals. Remember to pray daily and often because that will sustain you. I am just telling you, I love you dearly. And I will see you in the next video. Remember to hype this video and watch this video all the way to the end. I appreciate you. I will see you shortly. Bye.